Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yesterday, I made a video about this platform and I made my first withdrawal on the platform yesterday because the moment you recharge and you perform your daily task, which I am going to do here right now, you can make your first profit and make your first withdrawal on this platform. So right now, let me perform today's task on the quantify and let's see if they're going to give me something. You can see I have earned my $1.62 right now. This is where you're going to click. I have earned my $1.62 right now. So right now I will like to make a withdrawal, and let's see, I want to make a withdrawal of $6.22. But before I make this withdrawal, I want to go to my trust wallet where I am withdrawing to. I will be going to my trust wallet right now to check, to show you my last deposit there, so that you will know maybe this money is coming from this platform or not. So let me go to my trust wallet right now. So you can see it here on my trust wallet. My last deposit here is $1.50. I got this from uh one of the platform which I share among the first video I shared yesterday. I'm also going to show it to you, the platform. Let me quickly go and show the platform where I got this from. Let me show it to you. So this is the platform where I got it from. This is where I got it from. If I click on my withdrawal, let me click on transaction method, withdrawal record. You can see it here. This is it. $1.50. I got it. I withdraw it today. So this is the platform where I got it from. It's exactly like that platform, the one on this video. You can see I have earned a lot on this platform and still pay. I've earned up to this. You can see with just $8, I've earned $45. So I'm back to this one right now. So this one is the one I'm making for this video. I'm doing for this video. So I want to withdraw $6.22. Now click select your withdrawal method here to make the withdrawal. Let's So I'm going to input the amount I want to withdraw, $6.22. And here you are going to input your withdrawal password in here. Input it there now. Right now I've input my withdrawal password. Now click on confirm withdrawal. Wow. Click here. Application for withdrawal successful. So you can see it's successful. Right now I am going to my trust wallet to check if the money has arrived, because it takes less than 5 seconds to arrive. So let's go to our trust wallet. So here I am on my trust wallet. As you can see, the money has arrived, $6.22. Immediately you can see it here. You can see it, $6.22. Let me do the screenshot so you can see it, $6.22. So as you can see, it's paying. This is my second withdrawal on the platform. This is my second withdrawal. Yesterday I made a withdrawal, today I make a withdrawal again. So right now let me show you something about this platform. Let me explain some other things for you about it. See this level 1 here, level 0, there's nothing there. That means you don't invest anything yet. But in this level 1, level 2, level 3, like that go down. If you look here very careful, if you look here, you will see $9 investment. You see here, you will see $29. You see here, you see $99. If you see here, you will see $299. Like that go down. And if you check their income, you will see 1.62, 5.4, like that. The second version here, V here, you see 4.93, and you see 16.66. This place you see 17.82, 53.60 something dollars. This one you are going to see, you see 56.81, and this one you see $189. So let me explain it to you. That means you can earn up to that in that level. For instance, if you deposit $9, only $9, this is what you're going to be earning daily, 1.62. But if you deposit $10 on it, you can earn more than 1.62. The highest you can deposit on level 1 is $28, and which can earn you $5.4 every day. Note that the highest you can deposit more than $9 on the level 1. The highest you can deposit there is $28. $28, and that $28 will yield you up to $5. If you like, you can deposit $10 on the VIP one, deposit $11, $12, $13, $14, $20, like that. All will give you their own profit each. For instance, $18 can give you up to 3 point something dollars, or up to $4, 3 point something dollars, $18, or something like that. If you look at this one also, you will see that the minimum for the VIP 2 is $29. That $29 will yield you this $4.93. But you can deposit more than that. You can deposit $30, $31, $40, oh, $31, $23, $40, like that. The highest you can deposit on VIP 2 is $98. That $98 will yield you $16.66 every day. Every day. So you should know that how to do your calculation. If you want to do it, you should know the highest you can deposit, the minimum you can deposit in level 1 is $9. The highest is $28, which is the maximum. This one, the minimum you can deposit is $29. The highest you can deposit is $98. $98. VIP 3, the lowest you can deposit is $99, and the highest you can deposit there is $289. This one, the minimum you can deposit on the VIP 4 is $299, and the highest you can deposit on it to earn this is $998. If you like, you can deposit $13 on the VIP one, something like that. So that is how it work. That is how it works. So after you make your first deposit on the amount, the amount, the minimum you can deposit on this site is $9, and the minimum withdrawal is $1. So after you make your first deposit, you have to click on quantify here and do it as I do it just now. Just click to start quantification. That's all, and your earnings will appear here, up here. Then you can go to your withdrawal section and make your withdrawal. Click on withdraw, click select this thing here to add your wallet, to add the wallet you want to withdraw to. Input your USDT TRC20 wallet address and do it, and make your first withdrawal. Make your withdrawal. So that is how the platform works. So I hope you understand this video now. I hope you understand it now. So guys, thank you for watching. Goodbye for now. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. So guys, goodbye for now. Thank you.